Hello students, today we are going to discuss about mathematical operations on continuous time signal. So, we are going to discuss how to add two or more signals in continuous time domain. For example, if we have the signal called x of t is equal to u of t plus u of t plus 2 plus u of t minus 3. So, here we are going to add 3 signals. Okay. So, what is u of t? U of t is nothing but unit step signal. So, how to represent unit step signal? U of t is equal to 1 for t greater than or equal to 0, 0 for t less than 0. So, this is the definition for u of t. So, how to represent the unit step signal? The value is 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. So, this is u of t signal and the value is 0 for t less than 0. Okay. So, this is my first signal. So, we have obtained the u of t signal, right. So, we have obtained the u of t signal and now by using this we are going to draw u of t plus 2. So, u of t plus 2, how to draw your u of t plus 2? So, take the value which is there within your braces, that is t plus 2. It is time shifting operation, right. So, t plus 2 equal to 0. So, t is equal to minus 2. So, for time shifting operation, equate the value whatever we have within your open braces, equate to 0 and then find your t value and after finding your t value, just add this t value with all the values of t in the original signal. So, since we have u of t plus 2, we have to draw first u of t and then we have to shift this signal for 2 times. Okay. So, while adding plus 2, t plus 2, right, we will be getting a advanced signal. So, for that what we have to do, add t is equal to minus 2 with all the values of t in the original signal, that is u of t. So, what happens, minus 2 plus 0 becomes minus 2 and then whatever the value in between 1, 2, 3, all those values will be adding with minus 2 and then what is the ending range? It is infinity. Infinity minus 2 is again infinity. So, we will be getting the signal like this. So, this is nothing but u of t plus 2, where the amplitude is 1 for the range minus 2 to infinity. Okay. From your u of t signal, we have obtained your u of t plus 2 by equating t plus 2 equal to 0. So, that my time value is t is equal to minus 2, add t is equal to minus 2 with all the values of t. So, here the starting range is 0, ending range is infinity. So, I am adding minus 2 plus 0 which I am getting minus 2 and then minus 2 plus infinity will be of infinity. So, I will be getting the signal like this, u of t plus 2. Okay. And then for u of t minus 3, for u of t minus 3, again we have to equate t minus 3 equal to 0 and then t is equal to 3, right. So, what happens, t is equal to 3. Now, we have to add t is equal to 3 with all the values of t in u of t. So, 0 plus 3 become 3 and infinity plus 3, 0 plus 3 will become 3 and then infinity plus 3 will become infinity. So, what happens? We will be getting your signal like this, from your 3 to infinity we will be getting your signal like this, where your amplitude is 1. This is nothing but your u of t minus 3. So, now what we have to do? We have to add all the 3 signals. So, what are all the signals we have? So, we have to add u of t, we have to add u of t and then u of t plus 2 and then u of t minus 3. Okay. So, first let me draw all these signals in same plot so that we can add all these 3 signals properly. So, I have u of t where it is 0 to infinity, the value is 1, and then u of t minus 2 where it is from, so u of t plus 2, u of t plus 2 where it is from minus 2 to infinity, the amplitude is 1, and then what is my third signal? My third signal is u of t minus 3, u of t minus 3 where it will exist from 3 to infinity, the value is 1. So for all the signal, the x-axis value is t. Now we have to add all these three signals. While seeing your diagram itself, we have three different ranges. One is for t value, we have three different ranges. One is minus 2 to 0, another one is 0 to 3, another one is 3 to infinity. So we have three different ranges. Okay. So what happens? For u of t plus 2, and then u of t minus 3. For minus 2 to 0, what is the value for u of t? It is 0. What is the value for u of t plus 2? The value is 1. And for u of t minus 3, value is 0. For 0 to 3, what is the value for u of t? For 0 to 3, the value is 1, right? For 0 to 3, the value is 1. And again, here also it is 1. For 0 to 3, for u of t minus 3, no value exists. So, it is value is 0. And then for 3 to infinity, or in all the signal 3 to infinity exists. So, the value is 1, 1, 1. Okay. So, while adding all these signals, I will be getting x of t. So, for x of t, I will be getting, so I have to add all these three values. So, just add all the three values. Okay. So, 0 plus 1 plus 0 will be of 1, 1 plus 1 plus 0 will be of 2, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be of 3. Okay. So, this is my final signal where I will be getting three different ranges, 0 to 3 and then 3 to infinity. Okay. Minus 2 to 0, the value is 1, and then 0 to 3, the value is 2, and then for 3 to infinity, the value is 3. So, I will be getting your signal like this. This is my x of t, where my amplitude is 1, 2 and 3. Are you getting? So, my final signal will be looking like this. I will be getting 1 followed by 2 followed by 3, where it is minus 2 to 0, and then 0 to 3, the amplitude is 2, and for 3 to infinity, the amplitude is 3. So, this is my final signal, addition of three signals.